Hi everybody, good afternoon. This is Purushottam Kinga here from K9 Realty Homes, and today we are here to see this project called Opus 96 Kishkinda Tambram. For all our clients, we are making this video today and to explain to our clients the kind of development what is coming up in with this Opus 96. We are here to show people the real life situation, what a customer can look into when he buys a project. Now this project is a large project which is being developed by the Alliance developers, a very well-known developer who has done a voluminous business of 51,000 crores township in this Tambram, this Kishkinda area, which itself is 96 acres, is a fantastic development. Just to say, they have 125 amenities which they have kept customers' interest into focus. They have given us a lot of applications for keeping the customers' requirements in mind. They have given us a wider perspective for every customer so that every customer is taken care in each and every angle and each and every approach. To show you the one place which is behind their clubhouse, which they have, and they have made their clubhouse and their office hub also inside, so which is a large hub for everybody to sit down and discuss. They have amenities like at least for seniors they have a separate clubhouse. For the children they have clubhouses, they have solar panels. This is a children play area they have made. They have a huge cemented road within the full project. And to show you all something more, we also have seen they have given us an amazing layout with 900 plus plots over here, luxury villa plots, which are going to be done for the benefits of all our clientels. We would like to show them a villa plot live over here, which is given for a demonstration for our clients. Which is here. This is a 2,400 square feet plot, beside which is a 1,200 square feet plot, which is an adequate layout in a rectangular format. So every client will get a rectangular formatted plot of their interest, and they have choices to choose now because this is now in a pre-launch stage. This is a RERA approved project, and they have given the client's interest. The client's interest has been taken completely into this. After getting the RERA is where they have launched this project, and we are glad to support them. Now here in this project we have one more activity in the interest for the water. Water is considered a very prime source for any household in today's world. So here we get water at the lower feet of around 30 to 35 feet. They have open wells. They have a kind of a new concept which is called a Gunguru well. A Gunguru well is where the water is collected from the base. We have water sources which are below the land over here, and those are connected. Those will be identified and connected to a common hub point where it will be a continuous continuous area for people to get water. So there is a confident, whoever the client who buys a place also will be confident that there is going to be open space, open water hub available, and all the base wells will be connected. So the water is kept in consideration. Solar paneling is being done here for the electricity. 24/7 security is there. It's about 5 kilometers to the GST road here. It's about 700 meters to the outer ring road. And this being the Kishkinda project is one of the very well named project where everyone knows this place as Kishkinda. So here we are today on behalf of K9 Realty. We are presenting to you Opus 96 in bracket Kishkinda, Chennai, Tambram. Thank you.